Boosting your FICO score quickly involves focusing on impactful areas of your credit profile. Here's how to do it. Pay down credit card balances. Reduce your credit card balances to lower your credit utilization ratio. Aim for utilization below 30% and even better, below 10%. This can significantly boost your score. Correct errors on your credit report. Obtain your credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Check for errors or inaccuracies and dispute them with credit bureaus. Correcting mistakes can rapidly improve your score. Negotiate for pay for delete. If you have old debts, negotiate with creditors to remove negative entries from your credit report in exchange for paying off the debt. Increase credit limits. Request higher credit limits on your existing credit cards. A higher limit with the same balance decreases your credit utilization ratio, boosting your score. Become an authorized user. Ask a family member with a good credit history to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive payment history can benefit your score. Make multiple payments each month. Paying down your balances multiple times a month keeps your credit utilization low, especially before the billing cycle ends and reports to the credit bureaus. Address past due accounts. Bring any past due accounts current. The longer an account remains delinquent, the more it negatively impacts your score.